In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit note received from Supplier on Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a supplier credit so your bills, expenses, and tax reports stay accurate and tidy. Start on your Xero dashboard. First, head to Purchases. This is where all your supplier activity lives. From there, open Bills. The Bills area lets you see what you owe, what's awaiting approval, and gives you the tools to enter new transactions, including credits from suppliers. Next, create a new entry. Click New Bill, then select New Credit Note. Using the Credit Note option, ensure Xero treats the amounts as a reduction to what you owe and adjusts your reports correctly, rather than creating a regular bill. On the Credit Note screen, choose the supplier in the From field. Make sure you pick the exact supplier who issued the credit. If you have multiple supplier records with similar names, take a moment to confirm you've got the right one so the credit can be matched to their bills later. Add a reference. Use the supplier's credit note number or any identifier on their document. A clear reference makes reconciliation faster and provides a clean audit trail, especially if you need to trace it back months from now. Now, enter the line details. In the item field, select the product or service the credit relates to. Match the original bill as closely as possible. Use the same item, description, quantities, unit prices, and tax rate. If the credit only covers part of an item or a few units were returned, adjust the quantity and amount accordingly. Keep an eye on tax. The tax treatment on the credit should mirror the original charge, so your VAT or sales tax reports stay consistent. If you don't use items, select the appropriate expense or cost of goods account and describe the reason for the credit clearly. Review the totals at the bottom. Confirm the subtotal, tax, and total align exactly with the supplier's credit note. Accuracy here will save time when allocating the credit against their bills. When you're happy, click Approve. Approving finalizes the credit note and makes it available to allocate against outstanding or future bills from that supplier. You can apply it during bill payments or from the bill itself, ensuring you only pay the net amount after the credit. That's it. You've recorded a supplier credit note in Xero, keeping your payables and reports up to date. If you receive credits regularly, follow this same flow each time for consistent audit-ready records.